Up for sale, 1955 Chevy Bel Air. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 55 Bel Air, two-door, hard top, finished in maroon with factory interior, 350 engine, 350 trans. And as always, you know, go around and point out anything I do see, tell you everything I do know about it, fire it up, and then drive it. So of course, we will start here in the front. Previous owner of about 21 years, and he had the car restored. And actually, it was his show car. Quality of the paint, show quality. Of course, you know, 21 years ago, you're going to get a couple marks here and there on it. I'll show you those as I go around it. I literally have 47 trophies for the car, and I thought he was kidding when he said he had that many trophies. But we'll start here in the front. On the bumper, you see some little marks on it here because, of course, yeah, they get to the show. Pitting behind where the license plate is. So of course, you put a license plate on, you won't see that. But a little bit of marking on the front. This chrome here is excellent. This is very nice. Let me show you this real quick. You see a little bit more marking on that, but still nice and shiny. And I would say it matches those there. Fitment all the way around the car, exactly how you want it to be. Hood lines up perfectly, because it looks to have all its original sheet metal on it. It looks like it was restored in a very solid car to begin with. You see a little blemish right there, and then a couple right there. Again, like I said, it was painted 21 years ago. The quality of the paint, which you'll see as I go around it, super, super nice. And there's really not that many blemishes on the car. But let me go ahead here and pop the hood open. There we go. Keep it open. I kind of like what they did. They put some chrome accents in there because it was a show car, of course. 350 aluminum intake, Holley carb. It's a dual feed intake as well. It's got headers on there, and nice. Got one of those flex fans that you see there, and the even little chrome accents here for the hood hinges. Your body tag is in place where it should be. Chrome in here as well, which looks nice. Under hood, very nice and clean. One thing I love about it, no matter what temperature it's been in since I've had it, where it's been located, how long it's at, 2 pumps and it fires right up and it runs smooth, and you could back it right out. So obviously, you know, nicely dialed in, and it drives super sweet. Shifts nicely, of course. I mean, it's an automatic, but shifting, you know, as you're driving it, of course. But anyway. Body is super, super straight. Again, really nice, you know, quality paint. Blocking that they did to make it straight and smooth on the body that you go down, that's fantastic. Again, fitment here on this door all the way down, exactly how you want it to be. That lower body molding is very nice. By the looks of the radial tires on there, they look to be pretty recent, so that's always a good thing. You see a couple little blemishes on this lower edge, probably from getting in and out, you know, stuff like that happens. Little mark there, another little mark there, but again, look how nice that fitment is on the door. And the top of the car too. Oh, one of the blemishes, which is a common area, a little chip there, but a bubble right there. No other ones going back, but the finish in here as well, you got to check that out. That is superb quality there. Top of the car, just like the rest of the car, super, super nice. No cracks in the glass. Glass is nice. You see the speakers put in there, but let's hop on in the car now and mosey on down. I literally had a car about a year ago, exact same color combination, same kind of custom maroon with the same matching interior. Nice door panel here. You see a little bit of patina here, probably from the sun, you know, obviously on the road a lot. Going to shows and whatnot. You got to get 47 trophies somehow. See a little dirtiness on the carpet there, but there's no rips on the carpet. Floor mats are nice. Little, because there's like a layer and then a layer below it. So this layer, just a little bit of wear there. But again, look how nice this finishes in there that you see. You zoom back out. Even up here, you see that. Zoom out. They put the different one in for the automatic or the Turbo 350. Nice trim on the dash. I mean, quality of the paint on the dash as well, just like the outside of the car. Super, super nice. A couple added gauges. Again, you know, when you're driving it, you want to know what's going on, make sure everything's going right. Oh, left the garage door opener in there. Nice visors. Let me show you the headliner. Super nice headliner. Both working dome lights. All right, we will keep moving on. I got the key in my pocket. Zoom back in here. Super nice finish in this whole section down here. And the low, no bubbles anywhere in this section. There's two little marks right there, though, that you see. And a little buffing compound, but two little marks, like I said. And just look how nice. I gotta refocus the camera already. There you go. There you go. Look how nice this paint looks. It's a little mark right there. One more right there. Let me show you how straight this body is one more time here from this side. Really impressive. A couple little touch-ups in this section here. Maybe it brushed against something in the garage at some point. But the trunk lid fitment all the way down and all the way down there is exactly, you know, how you want it to be. And of course, just like on most Tri-5s, a couple touch-ups there. You know, you overslam the trunk lid. You chip the paint there. That makes sense. It happens. Pretty much everyone I've had has had that in some form. Back bumper, other than a couple, you know, smudges on it. Much nicer than the front one. You see that there. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop the lid for you. There we go. One of these. I especially like the trunk because it's the original trunk pan. Nicely finished in spatter paint, trunk mat. Battery moved, of course, from the front to the back. You know, make the front a little more showy. I thought it was... What? Did I put the same key in twice? There you go. Trunk mat. Battery, like I said. You see the nice batter paint in there? And then I'll pull this out and show you how nice the trunk pan is itself. And then I know it's blocked off there, but there's a little cardboard to smooth that out. And then where the spare tire, not spare tire holder, but the spare tire would go. And again, not rusted out. Sometimes water gets in there. And going on to the underneath, just if I haven't already mentioned it, body mounts, floor braces, stuff like that. Very nice. Nice and original. Oftentimes those are susceptible. We all know that. I'll come back to this later. It doesn't matter. Same deal here. No bubbles. Super nice finish all the way down in there. You see just a little right there and a little right there. Again, look how nice and straight that lines up. You see a little touch up down in that corner and super nice fitment all the way along the bottom there. And then I mentioned on that side, the one bubble there, just a couple right there. But again, the rest of that finish all the way down is exactly how you want it to be. So let's open up now and we will hop on in the car here. A little bit of dust, but again, nice finish. All right, into the door panel here. Super, super nice. You see nice finish there, all the way down to that door jamb there. There's your seat. Did I ever even show the back seat? Back seat looks like it's never been sat in. Yeah, I don't think I showed it from that side, but yep. And then your headliner. I know you saw it from the other side. Beautiful paint and work in the interior here. But anyway, it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. Look at that fitment. '55 Chevy hardtop Bel Air. It's a factory V8 car as well. And yeah, thank you for watching, and we will fire it up now and then drive it. Super smooth.